The nucleus is the most prominent organelle in most eukaryotic cells. It's clearly visible when using compound light microscopes to view eukaryotic cells in class. I'm going to talk about the structure of the nucleus before explaining its function. This image shows an illustration of the structure of a nucleus on the left and a micrograph of a nucleus taken with a transmission electron microscope on the right. And this image has been falsely coloured. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope separates the internal environment of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Embedded in the nuclear envelope are nuclear pores, which are highly specialized channels made of proteins through which substances can enter and leave the nucleus. Inside the nucleus is a dense spot called the nucleolus. Now, the nucleus contains a very important molecule called DNA, which is an informational molecule that contains the code for every protein a cell can make, such as milk, or keratin, or enzymes. The cell copies genes, which are small sections of the DNA, that contain the codes for specific proteins into another nucleic acid called messenger RNA or mRNA. mRNA exits through the nuclear pores, which are the holes in the double membrane. Millions of mRNA molecules exit the pores every minute, coding for the proteins that are essential for the function of eukaryotic organisms. Inside the nucleus is the nucleolus, which is a dense spot that assembles the components of ribosomes. These components, also referred to as subunits, leave the nucleus through the nuclear pores and they come together in the cytoplasm to form complete ribosomes. So in summary, the structure of the nucleus includes a double membrane, which is called the nuclear envelope. It contains nuclear pores embedded in the double membrane, which are channels made of proteins. And there is a dense spot inside the nucleus referred to as the nucleolus. The nucleus contains DNA, which codes for all the proteins that a eukaryotic organism needs to function properly. The cell copies genes, which code for certain proteins, into messenger RNA. mRNA then exits through the nuclear pores. The nucleolus assembles the components of ribosomes that leave the nucleus through the nuclear pores and come together in the cytoplasm to form complete ribosomes.